Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video about weekly recap. I didn't get the time all day, so I'm making it now. So let's get started. This is one of the first trade on the 5th. 4th was the week started on Monday. There was no trade on Monday. Monday usually is very slow. You know that, right? So 5th, February 5th, Aussie yen short here, and this is how it went. This is the entry, and that is what's going on. And then my target was here, 1.618 for the third wave, and this is how it goes here, here, and here. So it hit the target here, and actually this let me show you that it is based on this chart I made on the 3rd February. This is Aussie yen. Was also like 20 minutes, so I made an entry here, but it went down a little bit, and then it went up I guess a little bit more, and then on the 5th it started to come down again. So this is what the idea, butterfly pattern, 127, the level, the extended level, blah blah blah. So this was Aussie yen. The second trade on the 5th was Aussie USD, and I'll show you why I'm trading Aussie pairs. So this is Aussie USD, and 5th February, almost the same way, and it started dropping, and the reason for that, I even let me show you this chart here. See, this was the chart that I made, and then on the 3rd. This is a 40-minute setup, and I also tweeted on my Telegram channel, right there. You see that, and for everybody else to take this trade. So this is how it went down like this, right? So that was my entry, and this is what happened to this chart. The next one was EUR-AUD. This is the chart. I mean the trade that I did. And EUR-AUD, if you see this on the 3rd February, I made this chart. It was bouncing from here, so it went down a little again to 57.68, and then on the 5th it bounces from here, and this is where it is now on the 8th, on the 7th, Friday. So this somewhere here was my entry. Okay. All of these entries are based on the technical analysis that I did previously ahead of time and plan to take these trades. And then you can see this New Zealand yen showed from here going all the way. This was a second entry, beautiful entry, but I don't need it because I'm already in. This is on the 6th. This was based solely on the yen index. Let me show you the yen index. I made this yen index saying that this will make most yen pairs go down. So yen supposed to drop, yen index, and yen gets weak, strong, and then the yen is always on the right hand side, so all those pairs will be going down. And this is what happened to this chart. See, it start dropping, and this is just the beginning. You can see how it dropped, and then it went up, and it's just a little bit, and all yen pair already started to drop like 100, 150 pip. So this is going to continue dropping, and be aware that all yen pairs going to be dropping, and I will be taking the shorts, and I will be showing you how nice and clean with plan you can trade with these strategy and system. And with that, you have also USD-CAD on the 6th going up. Reason for that was CAD index analysis, which I did ahead of time, which is this. See, this CAD index for our chart is a nice, beautiful crab pattern at 161.8%. So I made this, and again, I think I posted this on my channel here. This is the USD. Well, I think I just mailed. I think I mailed this one, or I remember doing that, but it's too many charts. Anyway, so what happened to this one is this. Look. It went down straight up, right? So doing so, CAD will get weaker, and then the CAD, wherever the CAD is on the right hand side, that pair will go up, and wherever the CAD is on the left hand side will go down. So that's why I took this USD CAD, because CAD is on the right hand side. I knew it's going to go up, and it would pop up here. Gave me the beautiful entry by the book, and it was taken right? But CAD yen, CAD is on the left hand side, so CAD yen is supposed to go down, and this is CAD yen. I made this chart 40 minutes ahead of time on the 20th January. This is the old entry, by the way, okay? But the idea was that it is going to drop from here based on CAD index. And look, this is the trade on the 7th I showed it here when it was coming down. There was a strong SNR level here. That's why I showed it also. And then it went down very nice and clean, straight to 100 pip right here. Okay, so this is how the system works. If you join me, that you can attend my webinars where I teach all of this mumbo jumbo. How do I like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave count, and how to find support and resistance, how to draw these candles. I give you the indicator to draw these candles. These are like a special custom built indicator. Draw these candles. Okay, so and also there is an alarm which will beep when you have for example, here the alarm will scream to take me, to take this trade. Here also, when this indicator is all the way down coming out, and if the price is above the wave, then alarm beeps very loudly. And then the second alarm, I have it that it beeps both sides. It will beep here for short, long, it will beep here for long. It will. So I give you both, and you can I'll teach you how and when to use which one. Okay, so this is the system. This is the whole system, which if you learn properly, you really control the market. You can every step of the way, what it is, which pair is doing what, which currency is going where. And of course, we keep an eye on the news. The news is the one that move the market, right? So this is how it is. This is system. Everybody asking me in the email that if I can use in the platform. This is strictly for MT4 platform. Okay, and yes, I give you every single thing, including the EA, the indicators to draw these candles, and the support that if you cannot do it, if you're having problem, then I have someone to get into your computer and fix it on your computer. Okay, all those candles and draws, the index charts and everything, and then you get to get into my Telegram, where I all constantly giving heads up. This already bounced a couple of hundred pip, EUR-AUD, and I show you the EUR-CAD. I didn't take the trade, but yes, it bounced already. Okay, because of the CAD weakness, and this one didn't drop because the USD got strong too. But yen getting strong, USD getting strong, but still constant updating and posting the charts here. For you see all of these, and they went beautifully in my direction. You see this one, yen index. Remember, I just showed you the chart that is going to drop, and it did. Okay, very nicely. So, and then dragging all those yen pairs. Next week, yen pair is going to drop. So this is it for now. This is how we are trading here. So if you're interested, go on my website. Click the link on the post wherever it is, and then go on my website, and you can see all the previous trades over there as well. There's a page, it's called a subscription page, monthly subscription. When you go there, and it's all my trades taken week by week, they are posted there. It's not just this week, it's every single week, same story. You get the same setups and you get the same trades. All you gotta do is just pay attention, learn a little bit, and that's it. You're on your way. So this is it for now, and I'm gonna close it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the weekend actually. Mine is Sunday starting already. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.